Imagine your wallet not just holding money, but actually making it for you. Let's reveal how your Ewallet can turn into a cash-generating tool. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Get ready for insights that will transform your approach to e-wallets, offering more than just convenience, but a strategic avenue to amplify your earnings. Stick around to discover how to turn everyday transactions into profitable ventures. Think of an e-wallet as a digital system where your payment information is securely stored. It's your money, but in the electronic form, making transactions faster and way more convenient than traditional methods. Now, e-wallets come in different flavors: closed, semi-closed, and open. Closed e-wallets are tied to specific platforms. Think of them as brand loyal. Semi-closed ones are more flexible. They work across various merchants but don't allow direct cash withdrawals. Open e-wallets, they're the all-access pass, usable everywhere, and yes, they let you withdraw cash. Getting started with an e-wallet is a breeze. Simply sign up, input your details like name, email, and phone number, and link a funding source. This could be your bank account or a credit card. Once set up, you're ready to roll. Transferring money into your e-wallet is the next step. Depositing money into your e-wallet is just as easy. You've got options like using your debit card, credit card, or net banking. Some even let you top up at ATMs or selected physical outlets. It's all about convenience here. But here's where it gets interesting. E-wallets aren't just for spending, they're a platform to earn money too. There are several ways to do this, and we're diving into each one of them. One of the simplest ways to earn through e-wallets is their referral programs. Invite a friend to use the e-wallet and bam, you earn a cash reward. This usually comes as e-wallet credit, which you can spend or transfer back to your bank account. Cashback on transactions is another cool feature. Spend using your e-wallet, and a percentage of what you spend comes back to you. It's like getting rewarded for shopping, which, let's be honest, is pretty awesome. Promotional offers are where the real fun lies. E-wallet companies often run promotions where you can win cash or other cool prizes. Always keep an eye out for these. Participating can be quite rewarding. Now let's talk about the investment feature, a relatively new but exciting addition to e-wallets. Some e-wallets now let you invest in things like mutual funds and equity right from the app. It's a straightforward way to potentially grow your money. Then there are partnership programs. Partner with an e-wallet company, and you'll earn a commission for every transaction made through your referrals. It's a great passive income stream if you have a network to leverage. E-wallets are becoming increasingly popular among freelancers. They can receive payments for their work directly into their e-wallets, making it easier to manage finances and access earnings quickly. For business owners, e-wallets offer merchant solutions. Customers can pay you directly through their e-wallets. It simplifies transactions and might even increase your earnings through cashbacks and commissions. Feeling in tune with our content? Harmonize your experience. Click subscribe, echo your enjoyment with a like, and ring the bell to stay in harmony with our upcoming content. Ready for the next note? Let's keep the rhythm going. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts, listen up! Some e-wallets now support crypto transactions. Buying, selling, and holding cryptocurrencies through e-wallets is becoming a thing, adding another layer to how you can earn money. Using e-wallets to earn money doesn't require any technical skills. It's about being smart, staying informed, and making the most of the opportunities they present. Concerned about security? E-wallets are pretty safe. They use encryption technology to protect your data and financial information. Plus, most have two-factor authentication for that extra layer of security. Understanding the policies and terms of different e-wallets is crucial. Each one has its unique set of rules and functionalities. Knowing these helps you maximize your earnings. E-wallets are fast becoming the future of finance. They're efficient, secure, and offer multiple ways to earn money. It's not just about spending anymore, it's about making your money work for you. Being proactive is key when it comes to e-wallets. Regularly check for updates, participate in promotions, refer friends, and make the most of cashbacks. E-wallets are more than a convenience, they're a game changer. They're transforming the way we handle money and offering exciting opportunities to earn. Like any financial decision, doing your research before jumping in is wise. Compare functionalities, read reviews, and choose an Ewallet that suits your needs best. E-wallets aren't just a passing trend, they're the future. They're set to revolutionize how we handle money and offer an exciting opportunity to earn on the side. In conclusion, e-wallets empower consumers, businesses, and freelancers alike. They simplify transactions and open up new avenues for making money. E-wallets are changing the face of finance, and you're now ready to be a part of this revolution. Dive into the world of e-wallets and start making your money work for you. Launch into your digital revolution now. The key is a free ebook, brimming with the latest and most effective online business strategies. But this is just your starting line. A dynamic 15-day challenge is your next leap forward, thoughtfully designed to refine your e-commerce expertise under the guidance of online business maestros. Here, you'll gain access to hands-on tactics and a comprehensive set of tools, setting you up for real success. Are you ready to reshape your digital future? Take bold action! Click the link in the description immediately and embark on a journey to digital greatness. Folding up today's e-earning blueprint, constructed success with the method, sturdy gains, or shaky foundations? Lay your building blocks in the comments. Did today's financial architecture design a path to profit for you? Click like to cement the support. Eager to blueprint more robust earning strategies? Subscribe and hit the bell, ensuring you're equipped for every construction. Before you put away the hard hat, see that video in the toolbox? It's a plan for another solid financial structure. Dive in and let's keep laying bricks for digital wealth together. Until our next building phase.